Hey, so today I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb because the brake lights on this side here just went off. It's a simple task, so let me step on the brake so you can see. So you're going to need your ratchet, an extender, and if I'm not mistaken it's a 10 millimeter right there. And then there's 2 screws in here that we're going to remove. So you gently take the light out of here. You gotta wiggle it. There we go. And obviously it's the top one, which is this one right here. So you're gonna twist it, pull it out, and as you can see, the light bulb is burnt. So I got new ones, and for the 2012 Veloster it's the number 2357LL. If you take a closer look, there's actually numbers at the bottom of this, so you're gonna go with the last 4 numbers, which is 2357, which is here. So we're just gonna grab one of them. Put it back in place. There we go. And then you just put it back. It's very simple. So now before I put the screws back, let's test it out and see that it works. Okay, so now you grab your screws, put them back in place, make sure everything is even. And always remember not to over tighten it. And there you have it, guys. That's how you replace a light bulb. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Vic channel. Till next time.